Hello everybody, in this video we will be covering Bootstrap containers and how to use them. In the previous video we learned about Bootstrap color styles. In this video we will learn how to make our page layout better. Bootstrap has a default container class which is a responsive fixed width container, which means its max width changes at each breakpoint. We will create a div with the container and my4 class. The my4 class will give margin on the top and bottom of the div. Inside the div, we will add an h2 and a paragraph tag that will have some text inside them. Now when we save the file, in the preview we will see that the div is in a container of its own. When we shrink the Chrome window, we will see that the text wraps itself. Bootstrap also has a container fluid class, which is like the container class, but it will span to the full page width. We will create another div with the container fluid class with an h1 tag and a paragraph tag that will have some text inside them. After we save the file, we will see that the div with the h1 is spanning to the full page width, and if we shrink the Chrome window, we will see that the text wraps itself. The container LG class will let the text be 100% width until we cross the LG screen threshold. We will add a div tag with the container LG and my5 classes. We are adding the my5 class to know when the LG threshold is passed. We will add a paragraph tag with some text inside it. In the preview, we will see that when we keep the screen below the LG threshold, it will be 100% width, and after we cross the threshold, we will see the my5 class in action. We will do the same with the container XXL class. We can see that the containers are going to the center after the specified threshold is passed. In this video, we learned about containers, and in the following video, we will learn about buttons and buttons groups. Make sure to like and subscribe as it helps a lot.